What's up, guys? So right now I got my fidget spinner here. My brother. Say hello, Josh. So right now, do you guys like my shirt? Like it? Okay, guys. I got a new fidget spinner. My mom ordered it for me. She's the best. And yeah, I told her. She said I could get whatever fidget spinner I could get. She said She said I could get any fidget spinner I want, just for shipping. And now that I could get any fidget spinner, I'm awesome. But the fidget spinner was supposed to come on June 6th, except it came so early. It came like yesterday. This thing came yesterday. Right, Mama? It came yesterday? Yeah, this thing came yesterday. I didn't expect it to be so early.
I don't remember this guy.
It's my brother. Oh, a fidget spinner. Hold up, guys. Oh! No!
You sure you get the... You didn't sure you get
Guys, my
the
fidget spinner is back.
You sure get the... Okay, it's covered.
Joshua, don't touch the video camera.
No, I didn't touch the video, babe. I never again seen her run. Where are you going? Stop getting you. I see. You got your fish spinner?
Come on, fidget spinner.
What if you didn't get on your furniture?
I did it, guys. Got my fidget spinner.
Well, you didn't get your fish spinner, that you need that. You didn't get the fidget. It's a fidget. Do you like the fidget?
You see, guys? It's my fidget spinner.
That's my fidget.
And guys. Uh-oh. Where'd it go?
It's been slipping.
Dropped it.
It didn't drop in the
Oh, guys. Yeah, this is my fidget spinner.
This is gonna get you back my fidget.
I'm running low on battery.
It's fidget spinner.
Sorry, guys. I'm running low on battery. My tablet's only 28%.
You said, Mama, tell you where you couldn't show your bean.
But don't you guys worry, alright?
Okay, stay.
I'll have a lot of videos for you guys. Alright?
You can't get your videos when you got on overview.
This is my brother. If you're wondering about that where it sounds like
And you can't do it with your eyes. And you can't see in your...
That's my sister's.
Rectangle.
Yeah, she's playing on that. And don't you guys judge her. She is only 4 years old, right? And I'm 9. If you guys want a shout out on my next video, then comment down below that I want a shout out.
Oh, you can't
Just comment
show your
below
mind when you get your mind on your watch.
And my first shout out
You cannot.
is going to be to my mom.
If you do that,
Because
you can't do it on your knob. If you see
she's the best.
She's the best on the scaffolding. And when you try some better.
And also my mom. Do you know why she's the best? You alright, guys? Already know why.
You know what?
That's my fidget spinner.
Showing you
Fidget spinner.
that fidget spinner is
You
not.
see this fidget spinner, guys? It's the best.
Yes, the best fidget spinner. They never had the back.
And my brother's been trying to steal this for many, many times.
It's that many times. You can't get the sassy.
Yeah, so guys,
You can.
this
Is a picky
is
fidget.
the best fidget spinner I ever had, alright, guys?
I can't get the fidget.
See that?
Why was it
You see that,
girl?
guys?
I haven't made my girl yet because I want to
Best
die.
fidget spinner ever. Fidget spinner. Oh, wait.
This is my elbow.
So yeah, guys.
Oh, here comes my mommy. I see Uma
And
and
here's my grandma coming. Look at that.
Hi, Nene. Hi, Nene.
Wondering about the song?
Hi, Nene. Hi, Nene.
I'm sorry about the song.
Hi.
Because, I mean, like,
I don't know.
songs are cool, but my grandma likes
Hi, Uma.
Jesus.
Hi. Hi, Uma.
I don't really like it.
Hi.
Yeah.
I can Juni Mama. Mama, Juni Mama. Juni
Look at my
Mama.
shirt.
Juni Mama. Juni Mama. Juni Mama.
This-
Juni Mama. Juni.
Joshua, come on, open it. We need to go and sit down.
That shit's the
Come
whole
on, Joshua.
thing.
Joshua, come on, we gotta go. Hey,
So,
sit
yeah.
down here. Josh, come on. Joshua,
You know,
Come
all of
on.
these YouTubers. if
Joshua,
you are
what?
Tell me in the comments.
Hey, they're close by 6 o'clock. It's almost
This,
5.
I personally
Oh
know.
my goodness.
This
Joshua, come
one.
on. Open it. Now.
This
Now,
This
listen.
one.
Okay, then we just gotta drop him off in
This
the house.
one. This one. This one.
Come on, Joshua.
And this one.
Roll house.
Also,
Joshua, come on.
this
I have
one.
to go. Oh my goodness. Joshua.
I don't know who's this dude, by the way. No. I made a mistake. I only know this guy, this guy, this guy.
What?
This
He
guy.
can't because he showed him to take off his seatbelt. That's why Joshua follow.
No! I didn't teach him to take off his seatbelt.
Yeah, but because he see you take off your seatbelt.
Hey,